Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about something powerful, something quiet, and something that most people ignore in today's noisy world. It is called silent hard work. In a time where everyone wants quick success, fast results, and constant attention, very few people truly understand the power of working quietly without showing off. But the truth is, the strongest growth often happens in silence. And if you truly understand this idea, it can completely change the way you think, act, and live your life. This story will help you not only improve your English, but also understand a deep life lesson that can guide you toward real success. Imagine a place where people come with big dreams and high hopes. Everyone wants to change their life. Everyone wants success. But there is one rule in this place. No one is allowed to talk about their goals. No one is allowed to show their progress. No one is allowed to seek attention. The only thing that matters is the work you do every single day. At first, many people feel excited about this idea. It feels different, powerful, and meaningful. But as time passes, the reality becomes harder than expected, and slowly, most people begin to disappear. In the beginning, everything feels easy and exciting. Energy is high, and motivation is strong. People start working with full focus. They create plans, set goals, and imagine a better future. But after a few days, something changes. The excitement slowly fades away. The work starts to feel repetitive and boring. There are no quick results, no praise, and no recognition. And this is the moment when most people begin to lose interest. They start to question their efforts. They wonder if it is really worth it. Silent hard work does not give instant rewards. It works slowly and quietly. It is like planting a seed in the ground. When you plant a seed, you do not see anything immediately. Days pass, and there is no visible change. Weeks pass, and still nothing appears. Many people think the seed is not growing, so they stop watering it. But what they do not understand is that growth is happening beneath the surface. Roots are forming. Strength is building. And one day the plant will grow, but only if you are patient enough to continue. One of the biggest mistakes people make is expecting fast results. They want success quickly. They want to see progress immediately. And when they do not get it, they give up. They move from one goal to another, always searching for something easier. But real success does not come from quick efforts. It comes from consistent effort over a long period of time. Silent hard work teaches you to stay committed even when you do not see results. Another common mistake is talking too much about plans. Many people like to share their goals with others. They want people to know what they are doing. They want encouragement and praise. But talking about goals is not the same as achieving them. In fact, sometimes talking too much can reduce your motivation. You feel like you have already done something, even though you have not started. Silent workers understand this. They keep their plans to themselves and focus on action instead of words. There are also many distractions in life. Every day, something tries to take your attention away from your work. Social media, entertainment, unnecessary conversations, and endless scrolling. These things may seem harmless, but they slowly waste your time and energy. Silent hard work requires focus. It requires you to choose what truly matters and ignore everything else. This is not easy, but it is necessary if you want real progress. There will be many days when you do not feel like working. You may feel tired, bored, or unmotivated. You may feel like taking a break or giving up completely. But this is where discipline becomes important. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. Silent hard work is not about feeling motivated every day. It is about showing up every day, even when you do not feel like it. This is what separates successful people from others. Fear is another obstacle that stops people from growing. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, and fear of making mistakes. Many people do not even start because they are afraid of failing. But failure is not something to fear. It is something to learn from. Every mistake teaches you something valuable. Silent workers do not avoid failure. They accept it as part of the journey and continue moving forward. Patience is one of the most important qualities in silent hard work. Success does not happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistency. Many people quit just before they succeed because they lose patience. They cannot wait long enough to see results. But those who stay patient and continue working eventually achieve their goals. Silent hard work rewards those who are willing to wait. Another important lesson is consistency. Small actions repeated every day can create big results over time. You do not need to do something big every day. Even small progress matters. What matters most is that you keep going. Day by day, step by step, you move closer to your goal. This is the true power of silent hard work. As time passes, something interesting begins to happen. You start to change. Your skills improve. Your mindset becomes stronger. Your confidence grows. But this change is so slow that you may not notice it at first. You may still feel like you are not improving. But if you look back, you will see how far you have come. This is the beauty of silent progress. Eventually, your results start to show. Not suddenly, but clearly. People begin to notice your growth. They see your success and wonder how you achieved it. They may think it happened quickly, but they do not know the truth. They do not know about the effort, the struggle, and the discipline behind it. They only see the result, not the journey. The truth is simple. Success is built in silence. It is created through hard work, patience, and consistency. It does not need attention or approval. It grows quietly until it becomes strong enough to be seen. And when it is finally visible, it speaks for itself. In the end, silent hard work always wins. It may take time, but it creates lasting success. It builds character, discipline, and inner strength. It helps you become a better version of yourself. So do not rush the process. Do not look for shortcuts. Do not seek attention. Focus on your work, stay consistent, and trust the process. Because one day, without making any noise, you will achieve something great. And when that day comes, you will understand the true power of silent hard work.